Introducing Honest's highly versatile, multi-function honey filling machine. It's perfect for a wide range of tasks, from filling large jars to filtering and transferring honey. This single machine is also ideal for various small capacity packaging solutions. Function 1. High-speed honey transfer. It can move up to 700 kilograms of honey per hour between containers. Function 2. Direct honey filtration. The powerful pump can filter 650 kilograms of honey per hour. Function 3. Combined filtration and filling. Bottle 500 gram jars at a rate of 450 jars per hour. Function 4. Direct bottling of high-viscosity honey. It handles 42-degree balm honey with ease, filling 500 jars per hour. The automatic mode demonstrates incredible speed and consistency, filling jar after jar with precision. It precisely fills 40-gram spout pouches. And it's perfect for 20-gram toothpaste-style tubes. Effortlessly fill 15-gram custom molds for products like honey spoons. It's also ideal for 1 to 5 gram squeeze bottles. The machine also handles 60-gram tasting cups for wedding favors or samples. Fill small-mouth 25-gram glass vials with no mess. And even delicate 10-gram single-serving vials. From bulk transfer to micro packaging, our machine provides a versatile, all-in-one solution for your honey business.